Welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel, to the Onyx coin holders. Thank you for all your support day in, day out. Cannot thank you guys enough. Continue supporting. You will see a continuation of these updates, as you know. But as we are going into Wednesday morning, you are starting to see the market picking up traction once again. And as I've stated in my other updates, the past 48 hours have been a complete roller coaster of a ride, for the crypto space. But right now, market is picking up a lot of utility projects, showing strength, which of course is always nice to see. But as far as Onyxcoin is concerned, it's still not in the top 100. Right now, the rank is at top in 138. Price is up 3%, but nothing too crazy right now. The price is currently sitting at 1.56 cents, but we're down about 2% in Bitcoin and Ethereum comparative. Now, if you're looking at the valuation of Onyx coin, it's at $500 million, holding quite strong around this $500 million mark, and the 24-hour trading volume is at about $87.7 million. But before we get into any further, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So starting off by taking a look at the Bitcoin dominance here, guys. If you're looking at the Bitcoin dominance index here, it's at 61.24%. So it's not showing any sort of signs of weakness, and this is something that is different compared to even the dip that we did see at the end of February. February 28th, a massive correction that we did see for the price of Bitcoin, which dragged the entire market. But dominance at that time was around the likes of 60.56%. There's a total difference in where the dominance is currently at right now compared to then. So even though Bitcoin has been showing a little bit of a sign of positive move towards the upside, obviously we touched the 38.2. We actually dipped down the 38.2 briefly, but obviously did not manage to hold around there for too long, which again is a great sign. We had a massive move towards the upside after that, but yeah, ranging at 87k right now. We did see that we actually saw the price of Bitcoin close the daily candle yesterday at around 86,500, give or take. But right now, of course, price is picking up right now, but obviously we need to be back in the 23.6, as I've said in my market analysis updates. This is where I would like to see the Bitcoin price at, and this is where I turn bullish for the markets, especially based off of Bitcoin. But right now, we're still nowhere near where we need to be, but let's see what happens. Of course, this upcoming Friday, massive meeting that's going to be taking place at the White House about crypto's future. A lot of people are anticipating bullish news is going to be dropped. I personally think if Bitcoin does end up breaking out in the next hours to come, and leading to Friday, we might see a sell the news event taking place the day of the meeting itself. But with that said, if you're looking at XCN right now, XCN is not showing us any sort of signs of breaking out, especially. And I know a lot of people are going to come out and say, why are you talking negative about XCN? I want you guys to take a look at the broader market right now, especially the top 100. A lot of coins up double digits, and XCN's valuation compared to some of these top projects, it's quite low. So of course, when you factor those things in, you can really see that it's not showing the signs that that you really want to see. I would like to see the price of XCN about 1.922 cents, as I've said to you guys before, but right now, of course, that's not the case. We did make our way up to the likes of 1.78 cents. We do have some resistance around that range, but never really managed to close above that level. But really, really important for the price to start heading towards the 1.7 cents. Obviously we do have significant amount of resistance, as you can see just for yourself. If this is able to break out, this gives me the confirmation that hold on, the price of XCN could indeed make its way up to that 1.922 cents mark. I know people are very fast to talk about the prices at like 5 cents, 10 cents, whatever the case may be. But baby steps, guys. As I've said to you guys, we're fast to talk about unrealistic moves right now, because if you want to put it from where we currently are, in order for it to reach a yearly high, that's a 220% move. I'm not saying that can't happen, but right now you'd really need to look for confirmations for a project that is at XCN's level. Believe it or not, a $500 million valuation is not a large valuation by any means in this day and age. I've said this to you guys before. Can be manipulated quite easily. So the confirmation, of course, itself is, the 2.6 cents resistance, very, very important zone. If it's able to flip that into support, that would mark the first time since February 8th that, the price is back above that for good. But we're going to take it one step at a time right now. Of course, right now we're ranging a little bit, between this 1.5 to 1.7 range, but you want to, start heading towards that 1.7 cents mark, actually breaking above there and actually maintaining the price. And then, that would give us a confirmation that, the price could actually indeed start heading towards, the 2 cents mark, because, we're not, far off from, key support lines being broken. We actually have been retesting over the last few days. And obviously, if this does not hold, the chances of it falling down to a cent is still in play. So right now, you don't want Bitcoin to see a shakeout. You want Bitcoin to, make a gradual move towards the upside, start heading towards the 23.6. You want the dominance to start pulling down. I think this could push the price of XCN towards the upside. But let me know down below what excites you the most about XCN right now. What are you doing right now if you're a holder? Let me know in the comments. Love you all. See you later. Been Crypto ZX and peace out.